Hey DB, going back on another vlog, come back with another one. And make sure you hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe. I'm gonna be today. It's not really like a vlog. It's like I'm talking about Hurricane Harvey in school, because tomorrow will be the second week of school. So I'm gonna do camera. That's what I gotta say. Okay, Hurricane Harvey hit us and it did no damage, but it did damage to my grass because my grass grew so fast. Like we just barely cut it yesterday, and it's so freaking high. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a prank today with my sister because she's spending the weekend over here, and it's like fun because like I'm the only girl over here. I have somebody to talk to. Like, yeah, it's like interesting. We have a bond together. We love getting our nails done. I'm gonna do another vlog, probably about what mom's cooks. I'm gonna be talking about like with my family. I'm gonna be doing the vlog next month because it's my cousin's birthday, and I'll be right back with y'all. Bye. Okay, guys, I am back, and yes, this is my house. So check out. Oh, my house is really clean. My mom doesn't like our house dirty, so we know the man we make us to clean it up, cause like my mom doesn't play around. So let's talk about school. School is actually fun. I met 2 new people. Oh, speaking of school, I want to give a shout out to Ruby. I'll be right back. I'm back again. Ruby, Lorena, I guess, Yasmin, Heaven, Kiara, Brisa, Anaya. She's really cool. And that's what I'm going to give a shout out to. School has been really nice. Haven't gotten in trouble. This year I'm trying not to get one referral, get no phone calls, no referrals. Okay, so I'll be back next time. Well, today, later, when I'm eating. A vlog. That vlog probably going for like 10 minutes or so. If it's not 10 minutes, probably about 6 minutes. Cutting a new camera, which I'll be getting. Cause I buy my own YouTube. I buy all my YouTube utensils because this was my idea. My payment. So I save up my money and I put it on my bank account. Okay, so yeah, I have saved up $125. One buy me a $100 camera, has $25 left, and whatever that'll buy the utensils. Like I have to do a challenge or something with that. I'm gonna be doing the gummy food versus real food challenge later on in December. And next month I'll do a vlog of my cousin's birthday, where I'll get to see my family, or wherever we go for his birthday. And on March 22nd, I'll be doing a vlog of my baby cousin, the birth of my baby cousin. We don't know if it's a girl, we're gonna name it Kalia. We haven't loved any boys' names, so it has 3 kids, 2 kids that's right here, and one in her stomach. Like, she's doing really good. I hope this is a girl because she already has 2 boys, and like I mean, like her and a little girl, they'll be a mom and daughter bond. Like me and my mom have a great connection, so like me and my mom love each other. We love laughing about the silliest things in the world. My mom just feel like the most caring and nice person on the world. Like I would not trade my mama for anything.
Mama, want you?
Okay. I'll be right back to some more moments. Bye.